Greetings, YouTube, and this is the Silver Top Flyer coming at you from North Georgia. So I just heard from my mentor, my friend, Drone Worship. Says that one of our community members is having a hard time, left Colorado and headed for the sunshine state of Florida. I wish I would have known you were coming through Georgia. I would have met up with you somewhere and tried to help you out a little bit. Nevertheless, it's never too late. So, a couple of years, 4 or 5 years ago, I was in bad shape too. Yes, Rat, we've all been through it. Not all of us, but some of us. Didn't have a place to stay. Didn't have any money in my pocket. Didn't have anything to eat. But I did have a friend. Several friends, as a matter of fact. Do you remember, Dan? Do you remember? I do. So, along about midnight tonight, my paycheck will be direct deposited. I will go in and I'll send Rat some money. I don't want any potato chips. As bad as I want a bag, I just send them to other people. I enjoy helping other people. It makes me feel good. So, Rat, these words are for you. I'm sending you some little bit of money. It's not a lot of money, but I am sending you some money. You use it any way you see fit. If your belly's empty, or if you want to get a shower, you'll have enough to do. Maybe get a room and have a meal. I hate knowing that one of my community out there is in need. So, as soon as my paycheck drops and it gets in the bank, I'll go ahead and send that over to you. God bless you. I'm thinking about you. This is Silver Top Flyer, signing off.